Tal, is this your story?
Ano po kami, nag-brainstorm kami nila Miss Van, nila Maren, creative team at si Direk May. Yun,
In a nutshell, what is the story all about?
It's a story of three young people na who got caught in this love story, in this love triangle. And makikita natin, parang kwento talaga siya. Two different kinds of love story talaga siya. Kaya, excited.
Direk May, Tal, etong pelikulang ba to, makikita namin how this generation fall in love?
Definitely. That's a reason why kasi bine-mention yung dahil mahal na mahal kita. It's only inspired by that. Because iba yung generation na yun sa generation na yun. Ibang-iba yung dynamics, iba-iba yung and also yung how they relate to each other. It's an eye-opener for the older generation kung paano sila. And also, it's so relatable to their generation na kung paano sila, as in nakikita nila yung sarili nila dito.
Makikita mo rin ba dito na parang paano ka magmahal, ano yung mga maling decisions, right decisions, how to decide on love, ganun ba, Tal?
Yes! Parang siya di ba pag bata ka, MJ, parang kinikilala mo yung sarili mo, kinikilala mo kung anong love para sa'yo. Kailangan mo magdesisyon kung sino ang mamahalin mo. So, ganun siya.
On that note, for our first question, I want all the cast members to define love. Kasi kami, nung bata kami, ang love is like a rosary that's full of mystery. Aminin mo yan. Dati din, love is blind. Ganun lang yung mga definition namin ng love eh. Now let's hear it from your generation. What is love? Rain, total beauty queen ka. What is love?
Love is for yourself. I feel like that's where it comes from. So that's where you should root it from, and then that's what you do for yourself as well. So choosing your partner, giving love to your family, your friends, and yeah, loving yourself at the end of the day as well, beyond everything.
Zach, what is love?
Hirap yung tanong, no? Pero yung sa akin, love is compromising. So, compromising with anything.
You always meet halfway.
Always meet halfway. Logically, no? See muna the facts. Just compromise. And don't forget to love the person as much as you can.
Vince?
For me, love? Hirap talaga yung tanong pagtungkol sa love, no?
Hirap talaga. Bro.
Pero...
Narinig ba yan?
Pagdating sa love, siguro, kapag ginagawa mo na yung mga bagay na hindi mo dapat ginagawa. Tinamaan ka ng love.
Okay, I get it. Ralph, what is love for you?
Sa akin, siguro love is a choice. Love is a choice on how much love you give. How much love you give to yourself, to other people. Who you choose to love also. And I feel like dito sa movie, choices are very important. And we will see what choice sa battle will be.
Fantastic. Tal, what is love? You guys, based sa generation mo.
Love? Same lang naman kami ng generation.
Okay, Tal.
Love, I think, parang may binabago ka niya, feeling ko. For good and for bad.
Ang ganda. Direk May?
Aminin ko, iba generation ko talaga. Hindi ko naman may kakailayo,
Hindi ko na kasi sinabi Direk eh.
Let's face it, let's confront it.
What is love for Direk May?
Love is putting others before you, putting their needs and their everything before yourself, because alam mo kung parang mas importante yung nabibigay mo sa kanila more than yung ikaw ang tumatanggap, but also not compromising yourself to the point that you lose yourself.
It's selfless. Love is selfless, no? Sai!
Dapat po may buzzer. Yun yung sagot ko kasi naunahan ako ni Ralph. Pero may explanation time about it. Para po sa akin, love is a choice. It shouldn't come from outside forces. It's about how you love, not to fit other people's standard of love. Hindi siya solid form eh. Para siyang liquid. Wala siyang shape. Wala siyang size. Wala siyang anything. Parang love is flowing. You can never define love with one word.
Love is fluid. Love has no formula.
Love has no shape.
Ganda. Dustin, what is love for you? Tumingin sa ano eh? Tumingin sa kanan. Love for me.
Kay Direk May ako tumingin. For me, love is a commitment. Love is everywhere kasi. So, sa work, sa tao, so, pag andyan ka na, pag naramdaman mo na yung love, kailangan mo maging committed. Kasi marami kayong pagdadaanan ng struggles, ups and downs. So, talagang matetest kayo ng bagay-bagay. But then, kaya ako sinabi na love is a commitment kasi,
alam mo, kailangan mo ng focus dito. Oo, kaya kasi mga naririnig mo eh.
Kaya ako nasabi love is a commitment kasi, ayun nga, talagang kailangan mo talaga pag-isipan bago ka magmahal. Kasi may masasaktan ka if hindi mo binigay yung 100%.
Are you committed? Dejo.
Sa movie na to siya.
Yeah. Will, what is love for Will Ashley? Wow.
Gusto sa akin, may ganyan. Bakit? Love? Ba? Napakarami kasi eh. Pero agree ako kay... Ayun, maraming ibig sabihin love. Kasi...
Inuhuli ka din sa'yo nila yan.
Agree ako sa lahat ng sinabi nila, so copy-paste. Ayun, pag-commit talaga eh. Pag-commit eh. Kasi, ayun talaga yung the best thing to do eh.
You give your 100%.
Yeah. And ano ba? You give your 100% without expecting anything in return. Parang gano'n.
Galing. Thank you, Will. Bianca, what is love for you?
Wala ko aminin ko kasi talaga, Sir MJ. I'm such a lover girl. I love
What do you mean
love.
by a lover girl?
Like, I love love. I love talking about love. Gusto ko yung minamahal ako at may nagmamahal sa akin.
Yes.
I love love. I think it's so beautiful. Pero siguro, growing up, syempre iba't ibang klaseng love naman yung na-experience natin lahat. Syempre iba't ibang love yung nabibigay natin sa bawat tao na nakakasalamuhan natin. But I think isa lang yung common denominator nilang lahat for me. I feel like love is unconditional. It comes without, again, no conditions. Para sa akin, parang tuwing tinatanong ako, lagi pag-interview, paano mo malalaman kung mahal mo yung isang tao? The thing is, with me, I can't pinpoint it. Ang alam ko lang is that mahal kita. Yun lang. Walang specific reason, walang expectations. I just love you. So I think love is unconditional.
Alright, ang galing. O, diba? We're just getting started. Pero I have the questions right here from our friends on the press. We begin from Push. For Bianca, Will, and Dustin, how was it working together in your first film? What have you discovered in each other? How was it working? Kamusta?
Well, like I always say, ay sorry, ikaw ba muna? Ikaw na muna. Hala, bakit may pag-ano? Bakit may pag-applause? Wala. Well, for you, ano?
How was it working?
Go ka muna.
Nasa ba sa akin? How was it working? Kasi nagkasama tayo sa loob ng bahay, sinashare natin yung totoong story ng buhay natin. Nakilala ko kayo bilang kayo. Pero nung nakatrabaho ko kayo, nakita ko yung lalim ninyo, yung pagkaseryoso ninyo sa craft ninyo. Lahat kayo, actually. So, siguro yung na-discover ko, yung... Bless you. Yung na-discover ko na parang... wala tuloy ako. Yung pagkaseryoso nila sa craft talaga nila. Kapag ka nasa trabaho, 100% talaga ibibigay nila. And kamusta? Sobrang naging smooth lang talaga. Kasi dire-diretso lang. Kasi nakakatuwa na lahat kami hindi nahirapan kasi lahat kami nagtulong-tulong talaga para ibuhos yung puso namin para dito sa pelikula to.
Dustin, how's it working?
Ako, MJ, halos lahat sila first time ko makatrabaho. First time ko rin makatrabaho ng Star Cinema. So, ako kasi bilang tao, napaka-observant kong tao. Kumbaga, pag-aaralan ko talaga yung bawat kilos, bawat kung paano sila magtrabaho. So, lahat sila talaga, habang nasa set kami, talaga hindi nila alam na inaaral ko na yung mga ginagawa nila. So, ang dami ko nang pupulot, ang dami ko nang discover sa kanila kung paano sila bago mag-action, mag-take. So, ako, nandun talaga ako para matuto. So, inaamin ko naman talaga na ang dami ko talagang napulot sa kanila. Lahat sila dito, sobra.
That's good. B.
Well, I'm gonna be really honest. Grabe yung pressure ko nung nalaman ko. And even every day na, every time magta-taping kami, yung pressure bilang leading lady nila pareho.
Ano yung line mo?
Ganda ko.
Baliktad, yung microphone.
Yung line niya. Hindi, seryoso. Because gusto ko lang sabihin na Miss Tracy, Miss Joy, and Miss Annette, you've raised... Raised!
No, syempre kasi nalagaan nyo nga naman.
You have two beautiful...
Totoo naman! There's nothing wrong with that! Anak-anakan!
Seryoso na talaga. Grabe kasi yung dalawang to. Grabe yung talent nila and what they bring into the table. Grabe. So, you have, again, two beautiful souls, two beautiful boys, two... Parang kung niluwal nila sila. No, seriously, I'm sure you're very, very proud of them and I see why you put so much trust into the both of them and why you pour so much of your hearts into them. So, yeah, thank you, Dustin and Will, for...
Di pa tapos.
Wala pa pala.
Ang hilig mag-ending din naman na dyan.
Sorry. Aba lang.
Okay, next question is for Direct May and Crystal. How was it working with the three of them? What can you say about the cast?
We're looking at the new generation of stars. That's how I felt. As in, like, when I was working with them, nakakapanibago kasi parang iba yung mga lagi kong nakakatrabaho noon. And then, suddenly, these are new faces, new dynamics. First time kong mag-love triangle na ganito ka-tight yung competition. But what really, it hit me when I was watching them and when we were, doing our scenes. This is the next gen. This is the new generation of stars and the new generation of love teams. And you're looking at the new leading men and leading ladies of Philippine cinema. And I'm excited and honored to be part of a project that launched them. And it's overwhelming din for me. It was challenging and then of course, parang pressure din. Kasi parang, pinanood sila sa bahay ni Kuya as real people, but now they are actors. And I have to make sure na parang hindi lang sila makikilala sa love team, but as individual stars, or makilala sila, ma-appreciate sila for their individual talents. And I'm proud to say that they achieved that. And I'm excited for everyone to witness the talent and yung galing ng lahat sa kanila. Hindi lang silang tatlo, but everyone here on stage.
No, that makes a lot of sense kasi yung PPBB, that's non-scripted. So, going to a scripted format, it's a challenge kung how the viewers will appreciate, di ba, the performance of the
Yes.
Tal, how was it working with everybody? May collaboration ba with the lines?
Yes.
Because, may maganda yung mga binitawang linya dito eh.
Si Direct May and di ba Direk, pinapabasa namin sa kanila and then we also get their feedback kung ano yung tingin nilang sasabihin ng character nila, ganyan. So ako, I'm really surprised, no? Especially nung nakita ko na si Savannah, si Vic, at si Ellie in the flesh, nung inacting na nila dinirect na ni Direk May, ang galing. So, sobrang nagulat ako. Tsaka hindi pamili.
I know. And while all eyes are on the three, kamusta naman yung mga ibang kasama nila? How was it, di ba, working with them?
This is not just a love triangle film. This is a film about the youth. And yung cast natin dito, they represent them. Kaya nakakatuwa because hindi tatayo naman yung kwento sa kanilang tatlo lang. But of course, the friendships, the dynamics of everyone on set. Meron dyan yung characters nila, sila yung pwedeng nakakainis, but then very effective.
Sino yung nakakainis?
Watch nyo na lang.
A secret. Ganun pala ang secret ngayon. Okay.
Watch nyo na lang. Pero hindi magiging effective yung love triangle kung walang nag-challenge.
That's true.
So, watch out for kung sino yung mag-challenge. And of course, the friends that support them. So, everyone did an excellent job in bringing out the youthfulness of the film. And of course, yung gagaling nila lahat eh. Nakakatuwa kasi talagang walang tapon.
Tama. So, Sai, Rain, anong roles nyo?
I think that I may set a glimpse of it. My name is Trish here in Love You So Bad, and I feel like I give a good challenge to their characters. So, ibang-iba po si Trish sa totoong buhay, nakakairita, tirik na tirik yung mata niya, kakairap. And ayun, I did so many scenes with Bianca na I appreciated na we even talk together na thank you and thank you. So I hope makita niyo po yun sa screen kung gaano po kami kagaling together. And everybody.
Sai, your role.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my role is very challenging.
Plot twist pala, no? Ikaw pala yung ano?
As myself. As myself. As best friend of Savannah. Yes.
So was it easy or was it difficult?
Very hard. Hindi, ano lang po to, kung paano po ako sa loob ng bahay, yung puntahan ni Savannah or ni Bianca. Ganon din po, so parang nadala lang namin din sa movie. Pero dito nga po, kagaya po na sabi niyo, this one's scripted. So, kung may bias man, the views and opinions of the guests, kung meron man po siyang ship, ano po yun, sila direct po ang may ano.
Disclaimer ka agad eh, no?
Labas po ako.
Labas ka nun. Vince, what's your role here?
Ako naman, parang sa totoong buhay lang din.
Parang ni Dustin.
Best friend ni Dustin. And
Okay.
siguro nakita nila yung dynamics namin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero dito kakaibang flavor. Iba yung dynamics namin dito sa film na to. Medyo salty.
Ram, ikaw.
Ako naman, I play Phil, and like in real life, I am Vic's best friend in the movie. So, imbes na challenge, support ako dyan sa bata ako. Diba?
So, real life pala.
Flavor, sweet.
Flavor no sweet. Zach, ikaw.
Ako mas po ito. No, pero same rin kay Vince, best friend ni Dustin.
Okay.
A little bit salty, baka medyo sweet.
Sweet and salty. Sweet and salty. Okay, those questions pala galing sa push. Now, may question tayo from Jason Laluna of Certified Kapamilya. For Dustin and Will, what do you think makes LA or Vic the right person for Savannah?
Wow.
Without spoiling.
Pwede po mag-see.
Kaya po kami. CR break muna, Will.
What do you think makes LA Vic the right person?
We'll be right back. Nag-commercial break eh.
I think let's go left.
Parang medyo nakakuha ko ng clue kanina doon. Ano daw sa Easter egg? Parang sinasabi ni Savannah na ikaw yung calm. Ikaw yung kanyang peace. Tama ba ako?
Sabi po ni Savannah.
Ikaw naman, LA, ano ka sa buhay ni Savannah?
Siguro ako, ni Savannah, savior.
Kaya mo yan, Will.
Ang hirap ng tanong eh, kasi every time tatanungin ka, what makes you deserving, what makes you the right person for that person. I believe kasi na walang tamang sagot o walang iisang sagot para dun sa tanong na yun. But it's really more of the efforts, I guess. Yun, feeling ko dun mas dun nagmamatter.
I get what you mean. Parang sinasabi mo, it's not for you to decide. I give it all my best, and it's not to Savannah.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n.
Basta mahal ko si Savannah. Ah! Diba? Mahal Vic. Oh, mahal Vic.
Okay. Direct May, di ba meron kang inputs sa characters nila?
Si Vic, parang he's the motivator. He wants what's best for her. He wants to bring out the better version of Savannah. Ganun si Vic.
Si L.A.
Si L.A. naman, he's the savior, he's the protector. Ano niya yan, kumbaga,
Knight in shining armor.
negative and negative is equal to positive. So ano sila, parang kadamay niya sa the highs and the lows. A lot of lows. So, yun.
Ganda.